Hi friends, today we are going to see about the organelles of plant cell. I hope you might have understood the organelles of animal cell taken in previous videos. So today in plant cell we are going to learn about cell wall, vacuole and the cytoplasm. So cell wall, as you know, apart from the cell membrane, you have additional membrane, and this is called the cell wall. And you have a big vacuole, so in plant cell, and the organelles are present inside a liquid portion called the cytoplasm. So now we are going to discuss one by one. So first is the cell wall. So cell wall contains cellulose, an important component. Cellulose is a polysaccharide. So this is a long chain of carbohydrate molecule. So polysaccharide means a long chain of carbohydrate molecule. Carbohydrate molecules together form the polysaccharide. So cellulose is a polysaccharide, and in cell wall we have the cellulose. So it provides the important structural component of the primary cell wall of all green plants. So this cellulose is the important structural component of the cell wall. Like it gives strength. Structural component means it gives strength to the cell wall. So in turn it provides stiffness to the plants. So it provides strength to the cell walls, and in turn it provides stiffness to the plants. Cell wall is tough, flexible and rigid. So this is like it gives rigidity to the plant cell. So the cell wall is tough, flexible and rigid. So this cell wall provides stiffness to the plants, and it protects the plant, and it also provides structural support. So this is also a major difference between plant cell and animal cell. Like the animal cell doesn't have cell wall, but the plant cell has cell wall. Next, coming to the cytoplasm. So as we know, all the organelles are present inside the cell, and it contains a thick solution. So that thick solution is called the cytoplasm. Thick solution present in all cells, and they are covered by the cell membrane. So they are present inside the cell membrane but outside the nucleus. So the nucleus doesn't have a cytoplasm. So cytoplasm is present outside the nucleus, and here in cytoplasm you see the chloroplast and the big vacuoles. So now we are going to see what are vacuoles. As you know, vacuoles are present both in animal cell and plant cell, but compared to animal cell, plant cell has a bigger vacuole. See, it is very large and it is abundant in plant cell. Almost nearly 30 to 80% of the cell's total volume it takes up. And the vacuole have only single membrane. They don't have any basic shape or any size. So the vacuoles are present both in animal and plant cell. They almost cover up 30 to 80% of cell's total volume, and they are only single membrane. They don't have any basic shape or any size. How do we get a big vacuole? How this plant cell has a bigger vacuole compared to animal cell? See, these small during the plant's initial stage, there are many smaller vacuoles present in them. As their growth and development occurs, these small vacuoles join together forming this bigger vacuole in later stage. So that term is called coalescence. Coalescence of smaller vacuoles during plants growth and development. So this coalescence means joining or merging. So these smaller vacuoles coalesce together or join together during the plant's growth and development. That time the smaller vacuoles tend to become a bigger one. So why do we need a bigger vacuole? The next question arises, why do we need a bigger vacuole? See, as plants cannot change its place for nutrients from the surrounding, this bigger vacuole helps to store water and food products in them. So that is the reason why we need a bigger vacuole. And also they have other functions like it protects the cell from contamination, and it helps in waste disposal. It protects the plant. It helps in the growth and development of the plant, and it also stores water. So it helps in the storage of nutrients for the plants whenever required. So this is the reason why a bigger vacuole is present in the plant cell compared to the animal cell. And so we learned what is a cell wall, cytoplasm and vacuole, and you will raise a question why plant cell is having a big vacuole and why not in animal cell. So this is the reason why and how a big vacuole is present in vacuoles in plant cell. So this is for now. So next video we can see about chloroplast, and please like, share the video, and please support us by subscribing us. Thank you.